Pepe, who's that?
He's smart enough to know there's no doorbell in the car.
Who's that, Pepe? Pepe, who's that? Pepe, what's happening? Pepito! What's wrong?